Hello friends, today we gonna design this awesome looking social media banner. All the files used to design this banner are given in the description below. Okay, so we start with a new Photoshop document of size 1080 by 1080 pixels. Now we will set guides to the canvas. There are two ways to set guides to the canvas. One is to drag the guide to all four sides of the canvas, and the other way is to create the preset. By creating preset, we can apply guides to all four sides of the canvas in one go. We will use preset to set the guides. For this, first we will go to view and then select new guide layout. In the new guide layout dialog box, you can see I have already created a preset border 0 pixel. Here you can see the settings for the presets like column, rows and margin. If you want to create your own preset, simply click on the preset drop down list and select save preset. In the save as dialog box, just give any name to your preset and then click on save button. Since I have already created a preset, so I will click on cancel button. And here in the new guide layout dialog box, I will click on OK. Similarly, we will use another preset for setting 50 pixel margin all around inside the border. Now we will add two more guides for vertical and horizontal center of the canvas. Finally, we will lock the guides. So to lock the guide, simply go to view and then select lock guides. Now we will drag image to the canvas and position it. To create the shadow of the image, I will create a new layer. Make sure the foreground color is black. Then I will select the brush tool. It's a soft round brush and I will add a stroke at the center of the canvas. To add more depth in the shadow, I will add one more stroke. Now I will resize it and position it behind the image. I rename this layer as shadow and group these two layers and name it as image. Now we will work on the background. We will add a new solid color layer. Now we will add a circle in the background. For this, I will select the ellipse tool and click anywhere inside the canvas. In the create ellipse dialog box, we will fill the dimensions 800 by 800. Hit enter button. Position the circle behind the image. Similarly, we will create another circle of size 1800 by 1800 pixel. Position that behind the image. Now I am adding some text for the brand logo and position it to the top left corner. The font I am using here is April Fat Face. To make it more attractive, I will add two lines. Now we will add hashtag for Twitter and position it to the top right corner. The font I am using here is Oswald Regular. Now we will add tagline. The font I am using for tagline is April Fatface. Now we will create a button of size 240 by 60 pixel. We will add 10 pixel radius at the corner of the button. Now we add some text in the button. The font I am using here is Oswald Regular. I press Ctrl G to group them and rename it as button. I select the 3 layers used to create logo, group them and rename it as logo. Now we will add social media icons. Now we will add website address. Now it's almost done. The last thing we will add is the offer section. So to add the offer section, we will create a circle of size 240 by 240 pixel and add some offer text. To make it more attractive, we will add two lines. Now it's complete. Here is the banner.